Now at 6, 2 police officers killed and 1 wounded during a shooting in Palm Springs. Sky 2 is live right now. A SWAT team has surrounded the house they believe the shooter is hiding out in. In fact, this is video of the tense situation on the ground earlier. Police say the shooting happened during what was supposed to be a routine domestic dispute call.
It all started this afternoon in a neighborhood near Cypress and Racket Club Roads. That's in the northern part of Palm Springs. CBS 2's Christy Fajardo is live in the newsroom with late-breaking details. Christy.
Peter and Elsa, we have learned the names of the 2 officers who were killed. The first is Jose Gil Vega, a 35-year veteran of the force who would have retired in December. The other officer is Leslie Zarevny, a 27-year-old mother of a 4-month-old baby. That's her there on your right. She just recently returned to duty. Palm Springs police say this all started when a woman called 911 to say that her son was causing a disturbance. 3 officers responded and were shot outside the door of the home. They were taken to the hospital where officers Vega and Zarevny died. The 3rd officer is alert and doing well. The Palm Springs Police Department just wrapped up a news conference where we learned that the Riverside County SWAT team has surrounded the house and is looking for the suspect. They believe he may still be locked inside that home. At the news conference, the police chief shed tears as he shared the news about the fallen officers.
Today, Palm Springs lost 2 brave officers. They go out every day and put their boots on the ground for everybody in this community. They gave it all for you.
Here's a look outside the hospital where friends and family are gathering. As authorities look for the gunman, they are telling people who live in the neighborhood to stay indoors. One man says he was at a grocery store when he heard gunfire and immediately knew something was wrong.